Hey everyone, thank you for coming back for another video. This video will not be my usual video because I'm not going to show you what the model will look like until the very end. And yeah, you have to stick around to the end to find out what it'll look like. So with that out of the way, here's how to fold it, whatever it is. Alright, we are starting out a little differently today. Today we are starting out with a scrap of printer paper cut square. It's the same size that I used in my Ninja Star, my first video, or if you really want the size, it's 2.5 by 8.5 inches. Alright, let's get folding. So first thing you want to do is fold in half. Alright, now let's take the edge, let's take this edge and then fold it to this crease. Alright, now let's unfold and then take this edge and fold it to this crease. Alright, now let's unfold and then unfold this flap. And now let's take this edge and fold it to this crease. But not all the way, just until this point. Alright, now let's unfold, and we're going to make a rabbit ear. Alright, so it should look like that. And then now we want to take this edge and fold it to this crease. Alright, now let's unfold, then take this edge and fold it to this crease. And unfold once more, and take this edge and fold it to this crease. This might be a little tricky, so what I'm gonna do is mount and fold this, and then valley fold it up to this edge. And fold this back up, and then let's unfold everything. Alright, so now let's turn over, and then we want to form mountain folds in a U shape. So let's do one down here, one up here, and one up here, and then we're going to make a valley of U's. So pinch these, then make a valley here, then we're going to make one final mountain of U's. So two here, then one little one here, and let's valley fold like that, and collapse it to the side. Actually, let's collapse it up, and it should look like that. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add a little detail to this part. So if we can just zoom in, let's take the top edge and fold it to the side edge. And then let's unfold and then fold so that the crease that we just made touches the Lana edge. And that should be good. Now let's unfold and let's reverse fold it inside. And then reverse fold back on the crease we made previously. And then reverse fold one more time inside. Alright, so it should look like that. And now we'll just repeat that 3 times on the other 3 flaps. So 1, 2, and 3. Alright, and when you're done, you should have 5 small flaps that look something like this. Alright, so this is what the whole model should look like right now. So now what we're gonna do is fold the bottom edge up a little bit. Actually, let's let's fold it, let's keep it like this, and then fold this up like that. And then unfold, and then fold this down, and do the same on this edge. Alright, so we've unfolded these. We will refold them again in a little bit, but for now it will just have to remain a mystery. Alright, now what we want to do is fold this down and then fold it up about right here. So it's like that. And then, oh yeah, now what we want to do is fold one flap down and then rabbit ear it out, or just fold it out if it's too small, like that. Alright, now what you might want to do is let's take a pen and then curl it around, because we're going to curve this. Alright, so hold it like this, and then if we take it out, it should be all nice and curly. Alright, now let's make them overlap a tiny bit, and then we can use the folds that we did earlier and then mount and fold them in like that. And then same over here. This is just to give a nice lock to it. And now let's just spread these out. Alright, that looks okay. And yeah, that's the model. It's called Help Me, because it's kind of like a little hand that's coming out of a jar of some sort. You can put your finger inside and it looks like, ah, help me. So that was fun. Alright, I hope you enjoyed folding this. Stick around for next time where I teach who knows what. And as always, have fun folding.